good evening, and today I am going to show you one activity based on shadow, in which what we will do, we will see that for a shadow we need an opaque object, a source of light, as well as a screen. Right now I am throwing light on an object, which is right now my daughter here, and you will not see any shadow being formed, although shadow is forming, but it is not quite visible. The reason that obviously it is a big terrace, and the shadow is not being quite observable here. But if I will ask एक minute, अब रुक जाओ, pause करो. Now you can see that the shadow is formed on the boundary, okay, which is a wall here, and so we need a screen in order to obtain shadow, right? So for shadow we need three things: one, an opaque object; another, a source of light; and one more thing which is very important is what? A screen, which should also be an opaque object. Now I can show one more thing. Earlier it was a wall that acts as a screen. Now we have a copy, a file, okay, which is being held by one more child, and now you can observe the shadow. You can see very clearly the shadow is being formed on that card, on that file, which is now acting as a screen, right? Is this visible? Yes. Okay, so this is how you can say that for shadow we need three things: again, light, an opaque object, and an opaque screen, right? Pause. Now we can see one more thing, that in a shadow you must be seeing that a shadow is being formed, right? And you can also see there are two shadows formed, right? One is umbra, another is penumbra, okay? Because we are holding two mobiles, we are using two sources of light right now. That is why you can see two shadows. One is faint, another is very dark. My object is quite restless mind. एक मिनट इधर आएगा बेटा. हाँ. So when I will bring that light closer to the object, you can see the size of the shadow is becoming bigger and bigger, right? It will increase. मायरा इधर आइएगा. हाँ. Wait 8 seconds. The size of the shadow will increase, right? And when I will take away the source light source, okay? दूर करो. Then the size of the shadow keeps on decreasing. So what I am going to show you, the distance from the source of light, okay, light source and an object, and the distance from an object and a screen, and you will see the difference in size of the shadow, right? Please bring the light source close to the object, and you will see that the size of the shadow is is increasing, right? I think you have observed this, and you can see that the size of the shadow is increasing by bringing the light source closer to the object, right? Okay, now move it, okay. And when we take away the source, when the distance from the source of light and an object increases, the size of the shadow decreases, okay? One more thing, it is vice versa also. If an object moves towards screen, beta screen के पास जाना. हाँ. When an object moves towards the screen, the size of the shadow decreases. And when an object move away from the screen, एक second, पीछे करो बेटा, आगे हो ना. And when an object moves away from a screen, size of the shadow increases, okay?